On Windows, renaming a single file is straightforward, but the problem arises when you need to change the name or extension to a long list of files in a particular folder location. There are third-party softwares to speed up the process, but Windows already have some quick options that you can use. I will tell you the simplest way. I have one folder where I have many files and I want to rename all of them. So, first I will select the first file and will press the F2 key. The file name will be selected and I will rename it. Now for the second file, I will simply press the Tab key and the file will be selected automatically. I only have to rename it, then again press the Tab key for the next file and the file will be selected and I can rename it. I will keep on doing this until the last file. Did you see it? How simple it is to rename multiple files without using any third-party tools. Just try this technique on your machine now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.